Hey everyone, welcome back to Forex Scholars. I hope you all had a great week and I hope you all followed a lot of discipline and you took trade according to your setups. Now, next week is going to be a very huge week. Lots of things coming in next week. There is CPI data, there is PPI data from both Europe and USA, and then there is interest rate decision of the European Central Bank, and a lot of other things happening as well. Initial jobless claims, Philadelphia Manufacturing Index, building permits, lots and lots of news coming in next week, especially Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are going to be fully packed. And in continuation to that, in the upcoming week, next to next week, we have Mr. Powell announcing the rate hike. Either it's 25 basis points, 50 basis points, or 75 basis points in the least expected manner. So we have lots of news coming in. So let's try to understand what the forex market is trying to do, and let's try to understand how can dollar actually move this week. If we take a look at dollar is currently sitting at demand. I would clearly suggest that this particular area that we are seeing right now of 104 to 103.8, this is a huge huge demand zone for dollar, and dollar can reverse from here very strongly. Now the impression of this we can clearly see in USD CHF, again sitting at demand just like other USD pairs. USD JPY sitting at demand, and I think it is ready to move up as well, because if you see this particular area gave a break of structure to this high, and it's a huge break of structure. If you don't mind, it's a huge one, if you can see it clearly on your screens, and we can expect some huge movements in USD JPY as well. Now when we take a look at USD CAD, we can easily see that last Friday, late Friday, Friday night, it gave a very good OB move here, although I did not take it because the news came in and I thought it might not respect it, but USD CAD respected it very well, which shows that USD CAD is very strong. USD CHF is sitting at demand, and USD JPY is also sitting at demand. So shorting against these three pairs is highly unlikely. I don't think I'll suggest you guys to short any of these three pairs. Now once we take a look at all these three pairs, on the other hand we have gold, which does not care what is happening, and it has given a huge move on Friday of about $40-50, and it is expected to move higher until 1890 levels. I expect gold to move until $1890 levels and then maybe start reversing from there on. Although there is a huge supply in between, I do not expect gold to become weak from here onwards. And one of the biggest reasons is also that CHF can get strong from here on. So since there is a correlation between gold and the Swiss franc, I think it's going to react very well. Now once we take a look at AUD USD and NZD USD, we can see both these pairs are not looking great. They are looking weak. NZD USD has to be shorted because this OB gave a huge break of structure, and I don't see any reason why NZD USD cannot be shorted. Although it is at demand, you can definitely try a short based on the conviction that dollar is strong, and the New Zealand pair and the Australian pair are not looking good. If you take a look at the Australian pair, it is currently sitting at demand, almost crossed the demand, but no reaction whatsoever. So AUD USD and NZD USD are off our radars for long. EUR USD on the other hand is also looking quite weak, because if you take a look, this particular supply was the one that gave a break of structure on the downside, and we have approached it, and although we have reacted it, now if we see again a good momentum of this coming up, we can definitely short it somewhere around this particular level, EUD USD, EUR USD. But on the other hand, GBP USD looks slightly stronger than EUR USD, but I'd still say not to take longs in GBP USD as well. If you can see, it recently gave a change of character late Friday again. So lot of action happened late Friday evening, but yeah, my initial suggestion would be not to go long on GBP USD, EUR USD, NZD USD and AUD USD until dollar does not dump very strongly, and then we can enter GBP USD or maybe NZD USD, which looks slightly stronger at every pullback. This is the entire game plan of how we are going to play in the next week. Again, recapping for all of you guys, dollar looks strong, do not try to short it. CHF, USD, CHF, USD, CAD, USD, JPY, three of the pairs sitting at demand, do not try to aggressively short them. EUI USD and AUD USD looking very weak. GBP USD and NZD USD looking slightly a bit stronger than the comparative pairs. So yeah, if you have to short aggressively, then EUI USD and AUD USD are the ones to short. Gold, you have to just play it. You have to wait for the momentum, you have to wait for the reversal, and then you can play gold anyhow. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your trading pairs to let them know about the upcoming events that are going to happen and how we need to play them. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.